In an effort to assist the government to look after the orphaned and vulnerable children in the country, a gospel artist Sipho Makhabane has donated food hampers amounting to 27,000 malangeni to the Valley Charity Organization in Lobamba. We have a report. Food hampers include bags of mealie meal, sugar beans, and cooking oil. More than 120 of the children are orphaned and vulnerable, and they reside around the Lobamba area. Presenting the gift to the children, gospel artist Sipho Makhabane says children are the future generation of this country, therefore it is important for them to be well taken care of.
Kuyabanza lamalanga. Isuphu nje ibalulekile nendengane. So namhla ke sesilethe lokho libe sikuthembisile nabaka VOC. Sathembisa ke siloko sibanga umsindo lapha eRedweni. Ka VOC sisho ukuthi siya ku Great Revival. Indlulile ke Great Revival. Ayindluli nje kuphela bomshana namuhla batawukhona kudlindengane bakhone kukhula nabo ngobe laba baholi bakusasa laba la nje bona bangaka nje namuhla bodokotela bakhona la so kumele sibanakekele kakhulu lokho kube bhlungu ke lamalanga uyobona ukuthi bantwana bayahlukunyetwa kakhulu nangaphandle kwaleli live mobuka bo South Africa abantwana bayahlukunyetwa kakhulu kanti nalabo make balabantwana bayahlukunyetwa bayabulawa kunjalo nje siyamcela ke simakadze ukuthi akumane kuvuke nembeza kumuntu.
Makhabane further said that he will continue helping the children next year. Nhlanhla Dludlu, who is the director of Valley Charity Organization, conveyed her appreciation to Makhabane for the donation and also appealed to the business community to continue helping the needy children.
Siyabonga nje kakhulu nathi kuyasikhuthaza masibona nje bantfu basuka singakabacela nokubacela umvu nje kube nalendvo enhlitweni yakhe ukuthi uyathi ngiyafuna kusita siva kukhuthateka sibona futhi nelive ukuthi impela litawuthuthuka nangabe siyanakekelana ngindlusa nje kubonga on behalf of both emadladla lakhona nalabantwana basesiphofaneni sendlusa kubonga kakhulu ku VOC kuwe babe Makhabane na ku TNJ uNkulunkulu wemusa anzise.
Makhabane also donated food hampers to orphaned and vulnerable children at Lobamba Lomtsalam. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Zodwa Dlamini with Ernest Mabaso at Lobamba.